Do you have a love for fashion or a love for beauty? If you do, have you ever thought about finding a job based on that love? If you haven't, you may want to think about doing so. There are a number of different jobs out there that have a focus on beauty, and one of those jobs is working at a beauty salon. When it comes to beauty salons, many individuals automatically say, "But I don't know how to cut hair." Yes, having hair care experience is likely to up your chances of being hired by a beauty salon, but not always. Unfortunately, many individuals mistakenly believe that beauty salons only focus on hair care, but this is not true. Those types of establishments are ones that are often referred to as hair care salons, not necessarily beauty salons. At a beauty salon, you can find a wide range of tasks performed, including clerical tasks, spray-on tans, hair care, makeup application, and nail care. What does this mean for you? This means that if you are interested in working in a beauty salon, there are a number of different tasks that you can perform. When it comes to finding a job at a beauty salon, there are a number of different approaches that you can take. There are many beauty salons that advertise when they are hiring, either in the salon, in a local newspaper, or online. In addition to beauty salons that just advertise whenever they are hiring, there are also beauty salons that accept resumes and job applications all year round. Many of these beauty salons just hold onto their applications until they are interested in hiring new employees. As it was previously mentioned, having some beauty school training or experience working in the field of beauty and fashion is likely to up your chances of being hired for a job. If you don't have any applicable training, but you have your heart set on working at a beauty salon, there is good news. That good news is that you should be able to get the beauty training that you may need to become a successful and well-known beautician. You can do this by either taking a local beauty school training course, where you receive a certificate of completion, or you can attend a college or university to get a cosmetology degree. Although having certification of completion from a beauty school or a cosmetology degree is likely to improve your chances of being hired for a job, you may still want to think about applying for any beauty salon jobs that you see advertised or hear about through those that you know. While most beauty salons do prefer hiring someone who already has the needed knowledge and experience, there are some beauty salons out there that actually like training their own employees. That is why it is advised that you always be on the lookout for a job opening, especially one that doesn't have any prior work experience or education requirements. As you can see, it is more than possible for you to get a job as a beauty salon employee, should you wish to do so. What you also need to remember though is that working at a beauty salon isn't the only beauty-focused job or career opportunity that you may want to look into.